Can you do anything besides just go around in circles?
It's hard.
Because I'm getting dizzy watching you.
It slips, Daddy.
Remember the arrow I told you about on the transmitter?
I know, I'm trying to, but it still doesn't do it. Okay, let me try this. See.
You're doing good, baby.
Okay, let me get in the ice cream.
You, you trying to run me over?
Huh? Yeah?
I'll punt that thing like a football. Hey. Drive like your mama.
It's cold out here.
Well, let's go inside, is what I think.